Hello friends, I'm back with another unboxing. It's Redmi Y1 Lite, India's number one smartphone brand, and it's 2 GB 16 GB, and it's gold. It's 13.9 centimeter 5.5 HD display, 13 MP real camera, and 425 Snapdragon processor. And I'm going to cut it. It's sealed properly. Suddenly I received this from Amazon delivery boy, and its price is 6,999. Wow, the seal here also. Wow, it's looking awesome. Here's the phone. It's feeling touching like metal, but it's plastic. Here's the user guide. They gave a charger. Its quality is looking good. It's and also a USB cable. Here's a SIM card ejector. There's SIM card ejector. Where's the charger? And here's the charger. Nothing is written on this. Yeah, I got it. It's 1 ampere charger, and it's looking good. After all these things, I'm going to tell its quality is good.